We're at the Mae Rim Waterfall, just outside of Chiang Mai. Got the typical two-tier pricing system. Foreigners pay five times. Locals pay 20 baht, Michelle. Adults are 100. Foreigners.
Sounds fair.
Michelle, terrible. Two-tier pricing system. Terrible. Where's Obama? Anyway, this is Wat. Wat, say hello.
Okay.
What? Wifey, say it. We got everybody here.
Bye.
There we go. We're going to the waterfall. We're going to go stare at the water.
Yes.
Bye. All right, Wat, let's go. Wifey says we're going to go stare at waterfalls. Got a two-tier pricing system here, honey. We got hose. It's 20 for the locals and 100 for foreigners.
Special rate for the driver.
Special rate for the driver.
That's fair.
All right, we're in a tuk-tuk. We're going to the waterfalls. Seriously. Anyway, we're in Mae Rim. Somewhere's out. We're in the middle of the jungle. You can grow some wonderful stuff here, I'm sure.
Yeah, little bungalows, I guess.
Got bungalows. You can stay here if you want to go native. Not sure what you do, but it's all right. Yeah, I imagine there's all sorts of wildlife out here. There's the waterfalls.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There's the waterfalls. That looks like Oak Creek Canyon. That's it?
I don't know.
No, I don't want to exercise.
No exercise.
Where's is that the waterfall? Oh, we're gonna go.
Yeah, okay, we'll go up.
That's it?
No, it said waterfall up.
Oh, okay, yeah, it says here, waterfall up. All right. We got accommodations over here, Michelle. Bungalows.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. I mean, we are literally in the middle of the jungle here. We got all kinds of stuff going on. There's a massage, Michelle. You get a
Massagey everywhere.
look at that. I mean, how accommodating is that, huh? Our tuk-tuk is struggling for air right now going up this hill. Well, I'll bet you there's some serious wildlife out here. Should have got that 90. They have 95% DEET. 95% DEET.
Yeah, I think we should have picked that up.
Yeah, we're gonna buy some of that stuff. I mean, that's just wonderful. All right, so what are we doing here? All right, so we're at the Mae Rim Waterfall.
Third parking area.
Place over here. I can hear it. I can hear it.
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah.
All right, so we got to go.
I'll take this one.
Okay, we're gonna go look at the waterfalls. Let's go, Wat.
Yeah.
It's my buddy Wat, right here. It's our driver.
Waterfall. Okay.
We're gonna go stare at the water. I can hear it.
One
I know,
step,
that's
two
nice,
step,
huh?
three step. Okay.
All right,
You
Wat.
don't want to watch? You know, come?
There's Wat right here.
He's tired of seeing the
Wat's
waterfall.
seen the waterfall. All right, so where do we go?
This way.
Through here. Wifey's leading the way. We're at the waterfalls here in Mae Rim. Honey, what is it, Saturday the 12th?
Yes.
July 12th, 2014. Waterfalls with Wifey. All right. All right, we went gem shopping yesterday. Today's waterfalls. God knows what tomorrow will bring. We're walking up. Here's the waterfalls. No alcohol allowed. That's not good. All right. Well, All right, let's go.
I guess so.
We're in the it's called the Mesa Waterfall here. So here we are. This is a boardwalk. Wifey's. Chiang Mai, Thailand, July 2014. Shall watch the deck here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's not good.
It comes down from the top of that water.
All right, here we go. There's the waterfall. There it is. It's pretty. Yeah, you can see it. It comes down
Yeah.
right up there. See it?
Yeah.
It's probably,
It is muddy water too everywhere. I wonder why so muddy.
yeah, it is pretty muddy, isn't it? Pretty though.
It is.
How smooth the rocks are from the water. Very peaceful. Should have brought that 95% DEET.
You got a mosquito by your camera.
We have 95% DEET that we're going to score here.
You definitely use it out here.
Yeah, this place has got some serious. So here we are at the Mesa Waterfall with Ginger, with Wifey. Wifey,
Anna.
the waterfall in Chiang Mai, Thailand.
Oh
Flew-
yeah, look at all the steps going up.
Flew in from Hong Kong.
That's not good.
Yeah, there's steps. You can actually walk parallel with the waterfall all the way up. It looks like, huh? Yeah, I don't think we need to do that, do we?
No.
I mean, we kind of get the idea from here. Yeah, we get the idea from here. All right. It's a nice waterfall. Check out the bamboo.
Let's go up. I think there's another area.
Look at the bamboo. Look at that. Boy, that stuff's strong. What they use for scaffolding in Asia is bamboo. Look at that. Goes all the way up. Natural raw bamboo. Wow. All right, so there's the waterfall. There it is. Kind of muddy. Yeah, pretty muddy, huh? All right. We're gonna log out. We'll see what's next.